All right, get off the sleeve. Follow Nasha, and then a really sexy puppet, and then that was a sexy thing. And then the world's two sexiest old men playing sax. Focus, Steve, focus. I'm not good enough for Doc. I'll feel better soon. So this is a poem called July Matinee. Talking to the public, private seclusion. My aversion to inclusion includes a stub, a tub, a carelessly careful curation, a velvet rope, a hint of hope, a folding chair softened and stickied by foam and frothing soda spills, a not soundless though talkless time, my not soundless though talkless time, my time, oh my, oh mine. An excusal from excess tides, the comings and goings of give and takes that never shakes my hermit needs. Let me receive, no give-backs. Just sit and accept. You do the work, the woof. You spin the yarn and weave the world. Carpet halls and carpeted walls. Lead me to a time-lapse apse, a time and space machine. Take me anywhere, but leave me here. The lights come up. Why do they come up if the rays pierce unwelcomingly this dark of respite of shadow, a veil of sightless cool, a shared shadow? Where was I? Oh yeah, the dark. I am drawn to her like a moth to the... Okay, never mind. Okay, where was I? Distracted from my vocation distraction. Yes, the light rays roll up, fall short of falling. Soon enough, not soon enough, and yet, but although they do, soon enough that is, fail to find me, dim, and disappear into the recesses of the ceaseless and recessless plain plane of acoustical tile. I exhale, return this borrowed breath, sink into my seat, sink into my mind. I settle. The next breath borrowed won't long be mine. It's movie time. The projector clickets and clackets. The reel spins its rackets on wobbly sprocket while spinning its tails. The light is colored, uneven. A rainbow trapped in a kaleidoscope on a merry-go-round and round and round. Cinematic commodity. Cellulose, or close, I guess. It's unsteadily carrying sounds on their shoulders, throwing both at a screen I cannot see. I look square at it. For hours, unobstructed, I stare, fail to see a screen, replaced as it is there in the dark, here in the dark, by bounce backing, weightless and weightless. Instant hinting, glinting, the projector pitches sound and fury in a flickering circus of activity. It's throwing nothings in a palette parade, whatever the opposite of a library is, of sounds, music, words, Foley frenzy, launched unemotionally and yet maddeningly on a silent, invisible, visible screen. The thrum and flicker, the summer light, the rising heat, humidity, career, bills, pick up milk, forgot. The candy unwrapper, 2 rows down, my sore rib, all gone. A story unfolds, the story of a girl. I am lost. All is lost. Only a story, only a girl, only this girl. I'm Steve from Riverbed Poetry. This is Luna Wolf. She's with me whenever I do a reading.